Hi everyone, I'm going to share a few little Canva tips with you, and these are going to be little quick ways on how you can use Canva a little bit quicker using a keyboard. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to copy and paste. We're going to copy this heart because I want to add two more. So Control and C on your keyboard, tap outside of it, Control and V. That pastes it, and just keep pressing Control and V. Keep your finger on Control and just V, 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 V. And that means you've got lots of hearts and you can put them wherever you want to put them. Now, say we didn't want that. As soon as you can see that we have the little dots, the 4 square dots, that means we've got it active. You just tap on the delete button on your keyboard and it deletes it. And you can delete and you can delete and you can delete. That's all you need to do is just tap on the image and delete. Now, the next thing that we want to do, say I think, oh, well, I wish I hadn't deleted that. All you do is press Control and Z. Z. And that brings it back, and you just can keep doing that, and that undoes the last move that you did. So let's get rid of that again. Now, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to move the text. So I want to move that more to the left. So you just simply on your arrows on your keyboard, you're just going to tap left. So it's just tap, 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 tap. But to do that quicker and bigger jumps, you just press the shift button down and the arrow, and it jumps it across 10 pixels instead of these little single ones. So it's a big jump at moving something over. Or you just use on your mouse, you hold down on the left hand side of your mouse if it's inbuilt into your laptop, and just drag and move. That's all you do with that. And it's on the left hand side of your mouse. Just click and just drag it around using this little icon, and that grabs it, and you can move it anywhere you want on the image. Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is, let's say I didn't want that text visible. I can delete it, or I can keep it there for future if I need to use it again, and I just need to send it behind that nice pink bar. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the brackets, which I'm going to use the square bracket image, which is beside your enter on your keyboard. And I'm also going to hold down the Control. So it's Control, and you're going to use the left square bracket, and that takes it to the back, or Control and the right square bracket brings it forward. So left sends it back, right brings it forward. Left sends it back, right brings it forward. So sometimes you do need to use that. It's like if we needed to type something above, maybe that heart didn't look right, it maybe would look better behind, like these dots. These have been sent behind, so we'll use we'll bring them forward by using the right bracket, Control and the right bracket. See, that doesn't look right, but if we use the Control and the left bracket, it sends them to the back, and it looks a lot better, doesn't it? You could do the same with the cupcake. Control and the left sends it to the back. Control and the right bracket sends it to the front. So that's a handy little tool to use. Now, also what you want to know as well is, say you wanted to, it wasn't lined up right and you needed to move quite a few things. You just simply, again, using your left clicker on your mouse, you just hover and drag over all the elements so they're all together, and you can play about and move things so they're all lined up. See, if I would just left it like that, it wouldn't look right here, so I just simply move it to the right a little bit. There we go, and you can see that it's squared because I have that purple square now, so it's center in the image. And just tap off, and that's it done. Let's just move that over a little bit more. There we go. Right, so another little shortcut that you might find really useful is to zoom in and zoom out. You can use this, the button on the bottom, which would drag it in and out. Or, let me get that back up there. You just need to press Control and the plus symbol on your keyboard. just tap there, Control and plus, and then that makes it, there we go, Control and plus, or Control and V. Control and V, I've got Control and V on the brain. Control and minus minimizes, Control and plus brings it closer. So minus and plus. Now another thing as well, which I really do like, let me just make that a bit smaller. Let's say I need to add some text. All you do is tap on your box and tap the initial T. There you go. I have now brought up text. Instead of having to hover over, typing in the text box, selecting what I want, I just simply tap on my image and the letter T, and it brings up the text box ready to do that. Now, another thing that you can do, and again, I find it really super useful, is to add a new page. Now, all you need to do is tap on your image. So you've got the little blue line right round your box, and then simply tap in Control and Enter. And there we go. We've got a new black image. Control, Enter, Control, Enter, Control, Enter. And I mean, yes, you can use duplicate page. Now we've got it all the color we want, or you just use Control and Enter. And that is how a few little shortcuts can really help make life a little bit easier when you are using Canva. So I hope that helped. But I imagine a lot of you guys will be using the simple, just tapping on your image and a T. And that's it. You've brought up a text box. So have fun and enjoy Canva, because once you get used to it, it really is a fantastic tool.